Does your dream of owning your own home seem a little out of reach? Spending too much on your everyday expenses? Struggling to get your finances under control? Then you need Kim from Premier Spending Planners. Kim can help you gain control of your expenses and save the money you need to reach your goals faster. Case study. In 2 years, prospective buyers Josh and Hayley had saved $20,000 by themselves towards the purchase of their new home, but house prices were starting to increase. After seeing Kim, they made minor revisions to their everyday spending habits and were ecstatic to find they could achieve additional annual savings of up to $10,000. They will now be able to purchase their new home within 1 year, not 2, saving thousands off the purchase price and saving them 1 year's rent. These figures are an example only, and every individual's circumstances are different. To learn more about how you can enter the increasing property market much sooner, book your free 1-hour appointment with Kim from Premier Spending Planners.